Hey guys, this is M4T and I'll be reviewing the K&F Concept TC2534 carbon fiber tripod on this episode of On the Sea. That was a lot harder to say than you think it was. So after looking and eventually giving up on finding an affordable tripod that can hold up at least 13 pounds, I by chance stumbled upon this flash sale on Amazon and picked up this bad boy for $125. So inside the box you'll find a handbag with an optional shoulder strap, a user manual, a pouch, a shorter central axis with an international standard screw, an Allen key, and the tripod unit itself. I was immediately impressed with the quality of the product. The tubes are made of 8 layers of carbon fiber and the central fork is made from an anti-corrosive magnesium aluminum alloy. The legs easily slide out when released, yet they're nicely stiff where it meets the fork, so you know it's not going to slip in terms of the joints. The tripod is a sturdy but lightweight unit. Coming in at 4.4 pounds, it folds up small enough to fit into a gym bag but extends far enough to give you a 1.7 meter of height or taller. With a reversible central axis and legs that fold in reverse, you can get really creative and get this camera as low as your camera's upper clearance. So officially the tripod claims to be able to hold up 17.63 pounds, but unofficially I just don't trust a generic ball head to be able to do stuff like that. But it did successfully hold up 11 pounds, tilted at various angles, and it is made of some kind of metal, I suppose, so you know, maybe you can trust it to reach those limits. I still don't feel it would be secure though as a larger fluid head. The legs can be angled freely so you can keep the levers flipped open, but for added security you will want to release the lever and angle the legs so that they do slip into these defined notches. These allow you to keep a consistent angle across all the legs. So I found the joints are so stiff that one time I was pulling up the leg with so much force that I actually knocked myself right in the eye. Also, disassembling the monopod or reversing the central axis can be kind of tedious because of how the mounting screws have been separated and then shared between all the parts. I think this could have benefited from a 90-degree pull, however without stakes it's probably asking too much. You could weigh the tripod down using the weight of the hook at the bottom to keep it stable, but since it's only rated for 6 pounds, utility will be a matter of circumstance and physics. You can actually remove the rubber feet, so if I see some useful accessories that will change my mind on this. So in conclusion, I took a risk on a lesser known tripod and you know, I think it paid off. If you're tight on a budget and you're looking and wondering if an alternative can really do the job, I think it might be worth looking into this carbon fiber tripod. It held up a heavy load for me and it didn't sway on its own or fall anytime that I've used it. So something else worth noting is that this tripod looks eerily similar to a lot of other brand tripods coming out of China. So I think that they do actually come from the same manufacturing factories, but they just have different configurations. I don't know if this is a brand agreement, and I don't know if quality changes across those different brands, but I can say that at least the K&F Concept seems to be built well enough to use. So thank you for watching M4T, and if you like this video, hit the like button down below. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And you know, tell me how you really feel in the comments down below. And I'll see you next time.